Toybox. Oh, this is so awesome. What do we do? Like, do we get to print here? This is all about printing. Look at all these colors. Do you like them? Whoa, there's so many. I can't wait to start printing. And the best part is you get to keep the prints at the end. Whoa. When do we get started? Right now. So what do you want to make? I want to make an airplane. What color would you like? Let me look around. And I just want to say one thing. Some of them are glow in the dark. Whoa, that sounds so cool. I might want the glow in the dark one. What type of colors are there? There's orange. Ooh, let me see what this color is. Ooh, it's a rainbow. This is a glow in the dark. I'll take it out for you. And also, let me get the rest. This is a glow in the dark. And these two. Ooh, the rainbow one's a glow in the dark. Very special type. There we go. Whoa, there's so many to choose from. I think I'm gonna pick one of the glow in the dark ones. I like the rainbow one. Okay, I'll take that one. Or this blue one's really pretty. But then this one's also pretty too. And this one's pretty, and this one's pretty. Rainbow one. I'm gonna pick a rainbow airplane. Okay, let me put these ones back. And then I'll take the other ones. And let me take these and put them back. There we go. Okay, let me start printing it. Yay! Okay, this is how you do it, so watch carefully. I click on here. There. Okay. And then I click onto food. And now it's gonna start warming up. And then, once it warms up, we will be able to put this in. Ooh, yay! I can't wait. Okay, now we put it in. I'm gonna put it in just a little bit, and then I'm gonna click insert. There we go. Okay, are you ready, Anya? Yeah. Click print me. Ooh, it's going. Okay, so now it's warming up, and soon the exciting part is gonna happen. Printing it. Okay, it's going up. See it right now, but eventually you'll start seeing it. And I'll show you later. Right now we're just going to keep it one color, but later we can start doing something like this, adding multiple colors. Whoa, that's so cool. I know, right? Okay, let's keep up with the print. Whoa, it's looking so good. I need to get a closer look at it. Honey, make sure not to touch. Why not? It says, do not touch. Oh, okay. So it's cool for this area anyway. Only a couple more minutes to go. Wait, What happened? It still had 2 more minutes to go. Why did it stop printing? I don't know. That's so weird. Okay, let me carefully take it out. Okay, it's unstuck. Okay, I got it out. It's still a cool plane. It just doesn't look like that anymore. I don't know what happened. Weird. Don't worry, we can print mine. Yay! Still a cool plane. Look at it. Just spin it. Okay. Well, since we have to wait a few minutes, do you want to see it glow? Yes! Whoa, it's glowing. So cool. Okay, let's go back. We can do the same one again, unless you want to do a different one. I think I want to do a different one. Let me see what I can pick. Okay. I found a thing that says cute dragon on it. Can I do that? Sure you can. Okay, what colors do you want to pick this time? Do you want to pick the same colors or do you want to pick different colors? This is a blue. It looks pretty nice. I might want to pick it. Oh, I know what I'm going to do. Can we do different colors in this one? Sure thing. We can totally do different colors. Actually gonna do... I'm going to do these 2 blues. Okay, good choice. And a white. Okay, let me... These colors sure look good. I know Elsie would love these colors. Okay, let's start printing. Okay, so let me do this. Actually, to make it easier, you know what, I'll just do this. Okay, so then we'll be printing in a few minutes. Yay! I'm gonna have a cool pattern. My pattern is gonna be white, light blue, dark blue. That's gonna be so cool. Okay, let's click print me. Okay. You know what it said? Can I have something else instead of making a dragon? Sure, you can have something else. You can look on the thing and find out what you want. Okay, thank you. Because I think a dragon's going to be a little too hard to print, actually. Okay. I'm going to make a bunny instead. Okay, good choice. Okay, now I'm going to change the color. So what I do at the top is I just hold it like that. And then I wait until it goes all the way in. Whoa, almost done. Halfway through. It's all done. Now I can get it. There we go. It's coming off. Okay. Let me just take that. Okay. I got it. Okay. I'm stuck. You're joking, right? No. Thank you. So much fun! Yay! I'm gonna go show my mom. She comes. Okay, she'll be here in a few minutes. Yay! I made so much stuff.